Yeah, good.
Tomorrow could be Gettysburg. I don't know yet. I haven't made a decision. I might get it later. I got to place a park.
Yeah.
I'll
Well,
keep
at
an eye.
least you
I'll
don't
keep
have
an
to
eye
get
on the
it.
radar. I'll keep an eye on the radar. I might leave late. Go for that turn and come back.
Yeah.
I'll say that. So don't go trip. It's gonna rain. I'm stuck. I was gonna trip tonight. I was actually I was gonna eat a hit while I was waiting on you.
I thought you did.
Nah.
Oh, you did. I think you already swallowed that thing.
Nah.
Baby potassium.
69, baby.
Oh, it looks like 80. 69. They're,
Yeah! Party! USA! God bless America! Land of the free! Stand beside her and guide her. Rock the boat, rock the boat, rock the boat. Yeah, might get hit Gettysburg.
there goes my RV.
Yeah. I can see you driving that now, right? Everybody.
I ain't gonna drive it, I have to drive it.
You can't drive the land. You can't drive that.
Hey, look, I have my own driver, my own cook, all that. But Wally don't play that.
What do you think, Michael? What do you think?
Amazing. I love it.
Michael's going to Gettysburg tomorrow. Really? Leave late. It's good for the fireworks.
Sounds cool.
Keep it on the radar if it's breaking Gettysburg. Let's see that noise good. I'm excited. I gotta have gas money. I got to fill going 800. That much back. And go back on the tank to bring and get it. I need 2 trips. And it's There come the police. Yeah. Oh, Gettysburg's a hard time about it. Ooh, my baby's like tots. Boom, boom, boom. I'm proud of you fucking head. Yeah. I think it's better put in our heart. I like to drive better. Yes! Everyone's fireworks. Ain't got time to drive.
Yeah. Time to watch what's in front of us.
Yeah, ain't time to drive.
It's Independence Day, you fool.
Nah, tomorrow.
Well, you know what I mean.
I want to hit the airplane.
Yeah, that'd be cool. Boom! What is my plan?
Yeah, I found time. Round trip ticket, North Carolina on Southwest Airlines, $90. Think about
That was that. It might not be when he's leaving.
this. Well, I know. I told him he'll have to fill in the details when we decide to be going. But at least I give him a ballpark figure of what he's going to be looking at.
Yeah, I'm thinking 120 each way.
Well, depends on where he goes.
Hey, you know,
Yeah, you're right.
The guy just sitting right here.
1,000 years later.
Hey, dumbass.
What?
Look at that.
Wow.
Hey, here's the drink. Here's the drink. Hey, repeat. Here's the drink. It's only about 11 minutes. That's great. That's the time. We're a minute and 2 fucking late.
Really? Like, I don't care what anybody says about you. I still love you. Now I gotta kiss Mary there because I told her off for
Yeah.
damn reason.
You gotta stop there.
I know. I mean, I'm completely controlled by narcotics. And I'm
Basically
taking that
controlled by
back.
Mayday.
Yeah, well, whatever. Whatever you want to call it. 6 one way.
That's all being recorded.
I need a lot.
That's
Yeah,
all
I know.
being recorded.
Yeah, I know, Lovey. I just like to be in the moment, you know.
I'll be on Facebook saying how crazy I really am.
I'm gonna go pick this up.
Wow. Yeah. Well, give him a lighter.
I will.
When you get back, what? Maybe I want to light a cigarette.
Somebody's phone's ringing.
Yeah, 2 fucking cigarettes. Now I got 1 cigarette.
I'm freaking crazy.
Yeah.
I think it's my phone. Damn, that is so clear. That is the cleanest camera I've ever looked at. Like the pictures look immaculate. Like freaking crazy.
Let's get closer. There you go.
I gotta get something better. Look
Wow.
at this shit. I mean, damn. Get better pictures from this right here than me going up there. For real.
That's 8K.
That's crazy.
That's a $1,500 phone. Damn, a lighter.
This is a, I don't even know how much this one's at. It's like 10 years old.
That fucker's like $100 phone.
It's like 3 or 4 thousand out, but it's like a 2,000 freaking 15 years old. My phone, I mean, remember what happened to my phone? So I stole that bitch and ordered all of Amazon shit. I just need a light.
You need the light, Mike.
I lost it.
This is nasty.
No, I don't think
Yeah, I got 1 left. That's it. I'm done. Fucking
so.
sucks.
I gotta go get the $2.
I'm going to get cigarettes tomorrow.
He's supposed to go get the $2, remember?
That's when we go to Gettysburg. I'm going home 31st. Then going to Gettysburg.
I think
so
it's everybody good. They still have me?
I don't know. I got to check.
Yeah, we were supposed to go the next day, but I knew you'd probably sleep in that day.
Oh, hell yeah.
Shit.
I ain't get to sleep until 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock in the morning. I had to wake up at 8:30 to get paid.
Yeah.
Yeah. It was a long fucking day. Yeah. I had to go pay everybody. And then I had to, oh yeah, it was,
Damn.
I got about $5 left in my account. I had 900 something in 2 days. Yeah. Oof, going. Bye. That's the way it goes. Sucks.
Yeah, just wait till the next day, the next night.
Yeah, next week. Next week, man.
Man, I gotta go car shopping.
Don't fucking Facebook. Look at my shit,
I'm
bro.
just gonna go up to the damn dealership, man. I treated myself one time and I don't think I'm getting the house.
What are you gonna do? You're gonna spend 10 grand or more.
What's going 30 now? What's going 30?
30 grand. I can get you a Trans Am for 30 grand.
I'm getting a Honda Civic.
Fuck,
26.
you can get an RV for fucking 30 grand.
Nah, not new.
Yeah. I don't want a new RV.
Huh?
I want a broken in. There you go.
I want something with warranty. Don't do it.
Oh, God. I can get out of that and get fucking 10 cars with the money you're talking about.
Well, you go, it's not like you pay it all at once. I'm only paying like 10 grand.
Shit, I buy a vehicle and bang, it's done.
I'm buying a rollback out too.
Yeah, I heard.
I lost the fireworks there. I was thinking I had fun. What you on the radio when we were talking about it?
Yeah. They told me.
He's trying. He
It looks a lot better than that piece of shit that you sent me.
What?
A picture of the other rollback you were gonna buy.
Oh yeah.
That's a piece of junk. I looked at that one. Damn. It looks like, I know it says 2004. It looks like it's from the 70s.
That's a New Jersey. That was you know what a ploy is, right? That was just something I sent to get him.
Oh, okay.
It's rough.
Yeah, boy, yeah, okay.
It worked. He wanted 10 grand, right?
Yeah, that was a piece of shit. God,
How did you want 10
I
grand?
didn't say anything to you. I was like, whatever.
I gave it.
Evidently he likes it. I don't know. I said, it's junk.
Oh, I know you're talking.
I wouldn't buy it.
I'm talking about the one he has at his house. That's
I'd
mine.
buy that one back before I bought that piece of shit you said.
That's what I'm saying. Oh, that's what I told you. I only sent you that to make him.
Yeah.
He called me right back with a new price.
It's nice, man. There's a seat right there.
Yeah, I think I went off script from him there. I was thinking about that truck.
What are you doing? You're messing it. Hey! Okay, huh? What did I say?
I don't know.
Hey! Whatever. Messing the whole life. She's like, I don't do anything.
You know what? I think she just likes being here with you.
She's probably on the fucking phone.
You know what? Sometimes it ain't about where you're at or what you're doing. It's just who you're with. I think she's happy. You know she is.
Hey, when it's over, the rest of your life.
I'm just happy to be here with you, Michael.
Oh, Doc called me
Both my
Michael.
boys are having an Independence Day outing. Isn't that special?
You have 2 boys?
Yeah,
Doc-
I got a boy.
Doc called me Michael on the radio.
Yeah,
He's like, okay, Michael. I went, what? Wait a
He
minute.
calls me that all the time.
Are
you
you
know that.
pissed off with me? I'm like, damn.
You know he says that to me every morning, right? Good morning, Michael.
I'll
That's what he
say
says to
good
me every
morning
morning.
because the thing's Mikey.
He's the one that knew my birthday. Was 7/7. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Don't say the rest.
What are you trying to grab it?
Don't say the rest.
No.
Oh. Killer video.
Yeah, it's
I'll
almost
throw
my
them
birthday.
Huh?
My birthday's coming up. A couple days.
When?
7.
Oh, wow.
7 cents. Mikey 77. Triple
Oh,
7.
oh, no shit. Oh, I didn't know it was Mike Jefferson.
There's actually only one thing in the beginning of that. Just don't say on this. Don't let anybody else know what the other guy's name is.
You mean Mikey 666?
I don't like the most. I'm the peacekeeper.
666. I saw it in the head.
I'm the peacekeeper. Oh, there's 66 people watching this right now.
There you go, see?
I'm the peacekeeper in the whole group. That's the funny thing about that.
Not me.
There we go,
I'm the
67.
Hellmaker.
We could get to 77. I'll be really happy.
She seen my eyes turn black one time.
My drives are black. Oh, you went to your other. Oh,
Yeah, I got magical powers. Yep. I literally do.
He's really mad at me.
I don't even want to know.
And,
That's how far away I want to get from that kind of.
Let's put it this way. The Bible I was carrying around in high school in 12th grade was not a holy Bible. Well, it was, but it was it.
I don't even want to know
That
anymore.
was the same thing.
I don't even want to know anymore. I don't want to know.
Church, everything else.
I don't want to know. Just like I said, I don't want to know.
My God, the mountain, great outdoors.
Man, that freaking show on TV, Charm, scared the shit out of me.
Oh,
I like to.
Freaking all the crazy ass shit. Afraid I'm gonna turn into a black cat in the middle of the night.
she
Disappear.
likes serial killers.
You know what? That's not. Look at all the crime shows on TV. It's like if people didn't watch it, they wouldn't have all
Who's your
900
boyfriend?
channels on it.
Jeffrey Dahmer or no? No.
I don't get it, man. Personally,
Wait,
I'm not shit in the
Ted,
world.
Ted Bundy, that's a boyfriend.
Reacted
Oh, this is Put it over in here and let it go.
What's my favorite song? The girl had the
There we go. Get ready for a grand finale. There we go. Getting out of here is gonna be a motherfucker.
Yeah.
I might be sitting, hey, I might be sitting in your house for a little bit. Ain't no sense of coming back out.
Let's go. That's the whole lot.
Yeah, man!
That looks like a poster.
I don't know, but you need a little bit more looking. You're gonna That's why I like it at home. West Virginia. It's literally different. Don't even if I decide to go, you ought to see if you can go. I'm coming back tomorrow night.
Comes out of a man's mouth, he can split somebody with one freaking smack. I heard you kick some serious freaking ass.
I'm not a fighter. I take more of a beating than giving one. But I get up and walk away and laugh at it. I had my head split wide open and got up and said, fuck you. And then cleaned my own blood up.
Oh, you did it too?
And then cleaned my own blood up. There we go. Grand finale. Nope, that wasn't it.
Holy crap. That was just really cranking on to the other half.
Might have been. I don't think so.
Man, that was it was a great show until the very end.
There it is. See, told you. Hell yeah!